here is a licensing picture about, what were the pricing points initially with the previous Power BI licensing model and what it now is on the Fabric licensing model. So all of these on the right side are reserved instance costs, which was the same previously. Had to commit to a yearly contract for Power BI premium licenses. A yearly contract with Fabric licenses would have similar costs as such. But if you wanted to go with the pay-as-you-go model, that'll be a 25% surcharge in the cost that's provided on the right. But if you're not using them as often, the cost would go typically lower, and you could pretty much decide whichever options that you want or whichever licensing option that your organization might need to pursue. The other added benefit or advantage is, you could start off with your F2 licensing model, which is the cheapest out there at the market, with like a down payment of $152, and that would help or that would unlock all the workloads that I spoke about earlier: your data engineering possibilities, your data warehousing possibilities, your data science possibilities, your real-time analytics possibilities, and all of that can be done with an F2 license at a smaller workload as well.